guys, my name is Diana Valentina Yustres Córdoba.
And this is Luis Alejandra Bedoya Soto.
We are of degree 10-1. In this video, we will show you how to make a home traffic light. The materials that we will use are plywood, a gear motor, an elastic band, 4 electrically conductive sheets, a tin like this, a wire 3 mm thick and about 13 cm long. We will use several ice cream sticks and some mask tape. 3 LEDs of colors green, yellow, and red. Each LED with its resistance of 1 kV. We will feed this project with a 3.7 volt button and cable electrically conduit. Let's start with our traffic light. We put a stick in the center. The wire should enter without problem in the holes. Now we pass to do a hole in the can. We will make a hole on each side. And to finish it, we try introducing the wire. We mark the plywood 7 cm from one end, and at that point we put the stick that previously put fish with any glue with that to see if the can rotate properly.
We introduce the wire through two holes so tight the can no slip anywhere. We use any type of small though in this case we will use insulation. Top come in the wire. We cut the diameter, the width, the stick and the can. We mark and go to on each stick. We put the note, forgot to put the rubber band before. Now we put the gear motor in a part of the plywood. We also put the rubber to the motor shaft and fix the gear motor. Now we reels a cable on the end of each strip. The cable can be any color. We will place the strip in this way. We will try so that the sheet makes a light pressure on the can. The will serve in circular the electricity correctly. We do the same way on of 3 tape. Short some cable to motor. We got another 6 and 9 centimeters. This will serve to make the support of the traffic light. another stick we make 3 holes in where we put the leaves. Cut it 6 centimeters and we store like this. Cut another stick to make teeth. Drawer of lights, paint the black, driver and put the legs and make the electrical connection. We hold the support. For that we will use any type of glue. It must be something like this. To switch in the green light, we installed all of the cans starting from this point. To switch on the red light, we installed from this part until this part the other switch can carry us to black habit. We leave it new it became just the traffic light.
We hope you like the video. See you in the next time.